So we've gotten a call not long ago about this new house that's got issues with window leaks, and this house is unoccupied. It's never been lived in, and I've been trying to figure out what's causing the leak. And upon some further inspection, I noticed this morning that this window does not have weep holes cut into the bottom of it. Now this is supposed to have some weep holes that are slotted in right here, and I'm going to show you what I'm talking about by showing you another window. You'll notice that there's a weep hole here, a weep hole here. These weep holes are there to allow the water to drain out of this track here. So as you can see, there is there's water in there, and these weep holes, you can see I have my marks set at roughly about 3 inches, more or less, and then I don't know, maybe about close to 1/4 or 3/4. Anyway, I'm going to try to cut those in with a drill and a box blade, and try to get the water to drain. Okay, so what I'm going to have to do is pre-drill a hole here with my drill, and I'm just going to have to do a little bit of crafting there, if possible. I'm going to use a 9/64 drill bit. Try to put this on slow here. I'm going to try my best to line this up. It's going to be kind of difficult. So let's see if I can make this work. Oh boy, look at that. So I'm going to drill the other one here. Actually, I'm going to change this blade out here. Excuse me. You got to apply some pressure to this, and you need to really use a good sharp blade to get this first initial cut going. So this is such a pain. It's kind of hard to do, and you don't want to, at the end of the day, you gotta, oops, cut that a little lower than I wanted to. But you kind of want to box it out. You want to make it look nice. You don't want to just cut a slot in there. You want to do something that's going to look professional. So I'm just going to carve it a little bit. Yeah, it's okay to leave the edges rounded as long as everything looks nice and trimmed up. Just want to make sure that the water can drain the way that it needs to. And later if I have to come back and clean up a little more, I think I will, but In most cases this works really well. I'll let that water drain in the future. And so now I just have to do the exact same thing on the other side. But you saw that water pour out whenever I drilled the holes, and that's just because the reason why the water was backing up on the inside is because there was no weep holes or drain holes on the outside. So there is a drain hole on the inside. I'll show you that real quick. Probably should have showed you that first. But. So here, hopefully you can see this. There's the, well, that's a drain hole, but then there's another one right here, so that as water runs down in here, it can weep out. And then the problem is it had nowhere to go. So, but now it does. And yeah, just overflow. And anyway, hopefully that makes sense. And so if you have an issue like this, that's how you're going to have to deal with it. And at the end of the day, the manufacturer really should send someone out to do that. But you know, if you're in a tight spot, then sometimes you just got to get in there and figure it out. And that's another one of these cases where we've had to deal with this in the past, and we sort of had to figure it out. So anyway, good luck if you're having to try this, and thank you for watching.